Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily invert colors in iPhone 14. So I have iPhone 14 right in my hands. And what you want to do is pretty straightforward and pretty easy. You want to go to settings, and here you just want to find one thing here. You want to scroll down below and you're going to have accessibility. Then you're going to want to click here and choose the display and text size. And then when you're going to be here, you want to scroll down below and you're going to have the classic invert here and smart invert, right? So you can simply invert colors this way. And that's pretty much it how you can do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, let me down in the comments, and I'm really happy to help you. So have a great day and goodbye. See ya and goodbye. See ya.